Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. I've been craving for Tomyam soup lately. Let's boil Tomyam soup today. Hope you like this recipe too. Because this recipe is made with Thai Tomyam seasoning powder, and I added a lot of ingredients myself, the soup tastes more nutritious and delicious. I have chicken wings at home, so I'll make Tomyam chicken wings and mushroom hot and sour soup. This soup is really delicious. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: chicken wings, Tomyam seasoning powder, tomato, corn, button mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms. Corn, remove outer layer and cut into small chunk. Button mushrooms cut into small pieces. Sliced shiitake mushrooms. Tomato cut into small chunks. Add all ingredients into instant pot. Add Tomyam seasoning powder. Let's boil soup. Soup is cooked. Let's check it out. No seasoning is required as the soup already tastes perfect with so many ingredients added. This soup is a clear winter yum soup. It looks just like a chicken soup base, but the taste is really sour and spicy. In fact, I personally think there is nothing right or wrong in using this kind of simple cooking package occasionally. Of course, adding a lot of ingredients will make it more nutritious and delicious. You can also add lemongrass to cook it together to make the taste richer. Tomyam goong soup originated from Thailand and Laos and is mainly made of mandarin orange leaves, lemongrass chili, galangal, coriander, lime and shrimp. Tomyam means hot and sour, and goong refers to shrimp, so Tomyam goong soup means hot and sour shrimp soup. In addition to being rich in nutrients, Tomyam goong is rich in protein, vitamins, trace elements and various nutrients, and it also has the effects of nourishing qi and yang, regulating qi and stomach. By the way, if you are looking for delicious soup recipes, welcome to check out my soup recipe playlist where there are 274 recipes waiting for you. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I found some information about Tomyam soup on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Originated in Thailand, this is sometimes called Tomyam and is a soup that normally includes shrimp in a hot and sour serving. The words Tomyam mean boiling or hot and spicy and sour, which perfectly describes this soup. As a staple Thai dish, this famous Tomyam goong is served in Thai Square. Tomyam is a Thai hot and sour soup that is prepared with lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, shrimp paste or crab paste, palm sugar, fish sauce, lime juice and fresh or canned tomatoes. Is Tomyam a healthy soup? Yes. Tomyam can be quite healthy. It's made with fresh ingredients like lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and chilies, which are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. 2 types of Tomyam. First up, let me explain that there's 2 different types of Tomyam soup. Clear Tomyam soup Tomyam goong nam sai, and creamy Tomyam soup Tomyam goong nam kan, which is made from the clear version with the addition of evaporated milk and a good hit of Thai chili paste. Is Tomyam always spicy? Yes. It has Thai red chilies in it, so it's spicy, since Tomyam soup is known for being spicy. But the fun thing about making your own paste is that you can make it as spicy or not spicy as you want. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.